Good morning, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and I would like to welcome you in our new scalping video. This video will be special because I'm going to do something very unique and special. Actually, what I'm going to do is I will use 15-minute chart without looking at the 4-hour or 1-hour chart. What is the reason? I want you guys to see that we can find so many setups along the day. Some people they are complaining to me on the Telegram that the 4-hour chart is reducing our setups. We are not able to find a lot of setups and it takes hell of time to find setups on the 4-hour chart. Maybe there is misunderstanding. The 4-hour chart is only to see your position in the market. You just want to see where am I? Am I on a support or a resistance level? But however, I want to show you that trading is really so easy. And what I'm going to do is I will simplify the strategy to the maximum. So let's use 15-minute chart and use the same rules of my strategy. Before anything, guys, before I do anything, I have to check the currency strength. And right now we can see that the whole market is basically stable. Only the NZD and the JPY having some troubles. JPY is flying up, NZD is falling down, is the weakest. So just let me just be careful when I'm scalping to pick my trades wisely. So AUD NZD. Right now I am in the AUD NZD. NZD is the weakest. NZD is the weakest. AUD, however, is stable. So AUD is stable, NZD is going down, meaning there is a possibility. Let me show you what do I mean by stable. AUD is also losing. It's not much stronger than the NZD. AUD is also getting weaker. So both of them are weak. So it's not really expected for the NZD, AUD NZD to fall so much down at the moment. However, I believe it might go a little bit more down to the support level, and I'm relying, guys, on this breakout candle. So guys, this is the number one rule in my strategy. You have to look for the breakout candle, and based on it you have to trade at the next, or sorry, at the support level after the breakout. So after the breakout we see here a support level. So I can wait for this candle to go a little bit more up, and then I'm going to place buy. Then my take profit will be at the next nearest resistance, which is this level here. So how many pips? Almost 15 pips. I'm aiming almost 15 pips. If it goes down a little bit, I'm waiting for the candle to go down, hitting this line here. Let me oh, buy limit is too much. Let me make a new order. I'll make it 0.50. By the way, guys, I have to mention that this is demo account, just for the records. This is my demo account because I am now trying IC markets. This broker have zero spread, and I really love this facility or this feature. Let me explain that I'm not the guy who switch between brokers, but I noticed that a lot of professional scalpers they are using IC markets. IC markets, if you check it on the internet, is the number one friend for all the scalpers for Forex. That's why I decided I want to give it a shot. And by the way, I'm enjoying my journey so far with IC markets. So going back to our subject, let me select pending order, but I think it's already reversing. Okay, no problem. Let me switch to another asset. Okay, let me see here. There is nothing. So let me explain to you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, if I want to place buy, I will be looking for a breakout candle, which is the green color, or bullish breakout candle. Then I will wait to see any support at the same level. Okay, so I will trade on the support level, placing buy. Vice versa, if I'm looking for sell order, I'm looking to see long bearish breakout candle, and I will wait to see any resistance at the same level of the breakout candle, like that. So I will enter exactly here. I will sell at the resistance level after the breakout candle. So right now I don't see any good setup here at the USD JPY. USD JPY, guys, USD JPY. Remember, JPY is so weak. Sorry, the strongest. I mean, sorry, very strong. JPY is so strong. So you have the USD JPY. JPY is very strong. USD is normal or actually stable, going down. So the JPY will go up, meaning the USD JPY should be falling down strongly. And this is very obvious here. Now, why do I talk about the currency strength? Because, guys, you cannot scalp with buy option here or there. Maybe someone, maybe someone will be placing buy option here. Okay, he will say, okay, I see here there is a support, there is a resistance, so I will place buy here. He can even do it like this here, like this. Let me see, like this. Yes, maybe someone will say, okay, here we have a support, here a resistance, a support, and here we see the bullish breakout candle, so I'm going to place buy here. Wrong, you will fail. That's how you fail in your trade, because you are not paying attention to the news. JPY now is much stronger than the much stronger than the USD, so you cannot place buy option here at all. What you can do is wait for the breakout candle, which is this one here, and now mark your resistance level. This the same line which I have drawn now. Mark it to be your next entry, and here you can see if you place sell here. If you place sell here, you will be in deep profit. You will be in about 35 pips of profit. How cool is that? That is why I'm telling you, you have to pay attention to the currency strength indicator. So now, I am on a resistance level here for the GBP USD. I am on a resistance, and I see the breakout candle. I'm rushly going to place my sell order. My take profit will be at the next nearest support, which is this level here, giving me about 11 pips, $57 profit. So let me tell you again, why did I enter here? I see this level is so strong. We have here a resistance, and it was also acting as a resistance in the past. We see now the breakout candle, the red one, the red breakout candle. Not only that, but paying attention to the price action, guys. All these wicks, about 6 wicks we are seeing here, 6 long wicks. What do they indicate? These wicks, guys, indicating pressure from the seller. The sellers or the bears, they are trying to push the market more down. That's why we see this number of wicks here, meaning this level is very strong. Candles could never break from this level. They cannot exceed this level. Look at this, guys. There is not a single candle closed above this line here. Not a single candle closed above it. And you can see this pathetic candle trying to break out from this point. It couldn't. It couldn't at all. And you will see how this candle now will be falling more and more down. Just keep in mind, I'm applying the same rules of my strategy on 15-minute chart. The only difference is I'm not looking at the 4-hour to find my location or find my level. This is for the beginners, to be honest with you guys. It is for the beginners. Once you are a professional, you can just take a look at the 15-minute chart and you can tell that, okay, I know myself. Here, a resistance, and here a resistance, and here I am on a support. So you don't really have to look at the 4-hour chart once you are professional. So it's just to help the beginners to understand the strategy very well. But I'm glad because a lot of people are already so professional and have been in the market for a while, so they don't really have to look at the 4-hour chart, and that is a pleasure. So 15-minute chart is the best ever for scalpers. So anyway, I have entered this trade. So let's see how things will go. Let me move to another trade and apply the same rules. I'm looking for a support. Okay, good. Here we have this resistance level. I am on it right now, and we can see that we have this breakout candle, the long breakout candle, bearish one, red candle. So I'm waiting for, yes, the trend is strongly going down as well. This is the AUD CHF. So we are fine because AUD CHF is in general stable. AUD CHF. Yeah, they are almost the same. There is no big deal with it. So what I'm going to do now is I will wait for the candle to go a little bit more up, hitting this level, and then I'm going to place sell order, and my take profit will be the next nearest support. Very easy, yet so profitable. So let's wait and see how this candle will go. I'm waiting for it to go up. Our trade, by the way, is in the money so far. Yeah, I told you guys it will go down. This candle is so pathetic. It cannot exceed this level at all. It will fall down and it will hit my take profit very soon. Going back to the AUD CHF. AUD CHF, yes. Also, this one is already reversing. Yes, I am late in my I'm late in spotting it. So no worries. Let me go to another trade. I don't see anything good here. This one we couldn't catch it. Aud Nzd. Let me see this one here. However, this one, yeah, it will be late entry, and I usually, guys, don't like to enter late at all. Forex and binary options is all about your entry time. Okay, now we are on a strong support level here. We see the candle on the support level, and we see this long breakout candle. Let me just analyze it a little bit before I rush, because this market seems so jumping up and down. And I believe, yes. Hold on. How many pips? Not even one. I believe, yes, I'm going to place buy order here. I believe the candle should be going up at this point, and I will set my take profit to be at the next nearest resistance, which is here, giving me about 4 pips, $22 of profit. So, let me review now. We have this trade. It's falling down as I told you. Let's see the other one. Still struggling on the support level. Now, when will I close my trade? I will close it if I see another candle making a strong bearish breakout candle, just like the one we are seeing here right in front of us. Hold on, I'm just waiting to see how this candle will close. Okay, seems to be... let me just take a quick review. I don't think it will close below this level. It shouldn't be, actually. We still have 5 minutes for the closure. Let me switch to the 5-minute chart and see it, how it looks. Oh, yeah. Still, I think so. I think it will not go down at this point. Nope. There is a good reason. Draw your trend lines in your brain, guys. Draw trend lines in your mind. And this is subject that I will cover later. But anyway, I did this job for you, and I'm telling you, it's not going any more down. It's not going any more down. And yes, you can see it going up. Now the next candle will go up, and again I will be in profit very soon. So no need to be worried. Yes, it's reversing. No need to be afraid. This one is still struggling for this level. Let me enter a third trade, and I don't see a breakout candle here, so I cannot enter. Here, yes, I see a breakout candle. Okay, let me mark my support levels, and it is here, like this. So what I will do now, hold on, don't rush. I am actually on a resistance level. I cannot do this. I am on a resistance level. I cannot place sell here. I cannot place buy, sorry. Let me move on. Placing. I cannot find good trade so far. Uh, this one is ranging at this point. What I'm looking here, guys, is I am on a resistance level. I see this breakout candle, and I see on the same level of this support, we have seen a new resistance uh, performed, or new resistance formed. Now, the next attempt, we can see a lot of strength, a lot of pressure here, so we cannot really be sure what will gonna happen next. It might fall down, it might fall up. We cannot tell because there is a lot of pressure on this level. So let me avoid it. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. I think I will place my buy option here. Cool. My take profit will be at the next resistance, which is this one here. Let me explain what just happened. What just happened is I found myself seeing this resistance here, and I see this breakout candle breaking out from this resistance, which was also a support in the past, and we can see the candle I think has already reached this level here. Yes, look at that. Candle has already reached this level. I have entered way too late. I have late entry, but that should be fine even though, meaning the candle now will go up. This should be going up now as a bullish candle. If not this one, then the next one. I'm just worried about the price action I'm having here. My entry is late. My entry is late. If I have entered here, it would have been much better. So we would have 5-6 pips. Okay, let me close it. I will close it. Now, why I closed it? Because I'm not feeling really satisfied with this one. Um, if you want to draw your support and resistance zones, we can see it's like this and like this as well. Meaning I'm already on a resistance. It's not really recommended at all to do like this. Guys, check out our trade. This one is already $40 in profit. So I'm thinking to close it right now with $40 profit. Accept it. This one, however, yes, I told you it will go up. I told you it's reversing. It's a fake reversal. It will continue now moving up because I am on a support level. So again, let me review the market. Again, go back to the AUD USD, Euro USD. However, still we have nothing. USD JPY. I can see here. Let me disable this one. I can see we are currently here. Let me see the past. The past says that this is the level of a strong resistance, like this. Okay. Let me look more to the left. It was a support. It was a resistance, a support. So yes, indeed, this is the right level. So if the candle will reach this red line I have drawn here, I'm going to place sell order, especially seeing this bearish breakout candle. Let me do something. Set my pending order. I will select a pending order and I will sell limit. Let me mark it. Okay, good. So I will put it on the red line. So now if the candle will go up here and touch it, it will activate my sell order. Good. So now we secure this trade. Let me go to the GBP USD and see how things are going. We are not seeing much. USD Canadian, not much also. This one, however, no, I don't like it. AUD CHF, okay. We have the breakout candle. We have the breakout candle, and this is our level here. So now we have the breakout candle. We can wait for the candles to go up here, touch the same level, and after here I will place my sell order. Now let me explain the reason. Because here on the left we can see this level was acting as a resistance and as a support, and we have the breakout candle. So let me see in the past. Yes, also this level was acting as a strong support in the past. This level is so strong, and that's why we see here a strong bearish breakout candle. So if the market will go a little bit more up here, I'm going to place my sell. Let's wait and see how things will go. I think Euro CHF is not really having good days now. This is the one I thought it's going up, and I believe it will go up. Of course, guys, we don't control the market. Nobody can tell you it will. I'm just saying my assuming that it should go up. It is supposed to go up. I cannot tell you it will. Watch it. I can bet on it. No, I cannot do like that. You just have to analyze it, and you have to believe in your trade, believe in your analysis, and yes, sometimes it just doesn't work. Let's see how things will go. I think it should bounce at this support level now. Let's wait and see. This is a very strong bearish movement. It is so strong. Very strong bearish movement. Going to the 1 minute chart, we can see it's reversing. It's reversing. Very good. I told you it will reverse here. What I'm going to do is I will place another buy option here, because I'm still insist it will reverse. So I have reduced my take profit levels. Why? To be on the next nearest resistance, which is this one here. Okay? So let me see how things will go. I insist it will go up because I am on a strong uptrend, and this level here is very strong as well. And how do I know it's very strong? Check the past. Look at the line I have drawn here now, okay? Look at it in the past. It was acting as a strong resistance, it was acting as a strong support, and also here as a strong resistance. We only have two breakouts on this level, three breakouts, sorry. We have breakout here, and the breakout here, and a breakout here. That's why I'm telling you, this level is very strong. I don't think the candle will break out from it right now. So we just have to wait and see how the trade will go on. I believe I can pause the video, but I feel like there is no need. By the way, this is not really the best market to trade. Guys, check it out. Take a quick look at the market here. What do you see? Tell me, what do you see? What do you see is... this is what you see. Am I right? This is exactly what we are seeing. Market is going up and down, but it's not smooth. Not like this. It is very, it's very confusing and very unwelcome to trade. This is not a friendly chart at all. But anyway, I decided to enter it because I am trusting myself, and I have a self-confidence, and I'm sure very well my strategy is strong, and I know this level of support and resistance is so strong as well, and it will go up at this point. I'm very sure of this. So switching back to the AUD UGPY, nothing good here. AUD CAD, nothing also. Just give me 1 second, guys, please. Okay, guys, sorry, I had to take a very important call I received. So anyway, we can see already... 1 second. Okay, good. So Euro CHF is already in profit as well. The next trade, however, the one we opened later, it is in profit. The first one still not yet there. So let me look for another trades. The beautiful thing about my strategy is you can enter every 1 hour, you can enter 2 to 3 trades. This is not over trading, not you know, it's not a lot, not little. It's fair enough. It's fair enough. So let me see here what we have. What do we have here? What do we have here now is a breakout candle, I think. And what I'm going to do is, let me think a little bit about it, because what we have here is a breakout candle. So I'm going definitely to place call here. I hope I'm not late. Yes, I did the call here, and I'm going to set my take profit only 5 pips. Okay, so let me explain what happened here. I see myself first of all on a strong uptrend on 15-minute chart. Okay, so I am on a strong bullish uptrend, and what I see here is a breakout candle. Okay, meaning the market should be going up. I will place now my trade on support levels. So where is the support level at the breakout candle? It is here, including in the breakout candle itself. So we can see how the candle has reached exactly this level here, and now is expecting to go a little bit more up also, hitting this resistance level like this. I think it will be about 7 pips profit. So from my point of view, I think the market should move like this, making a pullback, then again moving up, hitting this resistance level, then again going all the way down, hitting this support level, and then moving up, hitting the next resistance level. This is my theory how it will move now. So I believe it should go down. Not only that, look at the left, guys. We see here a strong support level, the same one I'm currently on right now. Look here, we see it was a support, support, support. We see the breakout here happened, the bullish breakout. Then it was also a support after the bullish breakout. There was some fall down here, but again the market went up. It created a new breakout candle. That's why I don't see at all how it can go down at this point. This market now is going up. Alright, so let me now make a revision. This trade, you can see how, guys, it's reacting to this strong level. I told you guys, this one will be in profit even sooner or later. It will be in profit and we will make money out of it. This one is the same one, of course. This one still struggling for the reversal. Still, actually, we have about 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the reversal. Sorry, for the closing of the candle, because this is 15-minute candle. So after 2 minutes, this candle will close and we will have the new one opening. Then it will go up. Now, a very good question. Someone will tell me, isn't this a breakout candle here? The red one. Isn't it a breakout candle? Isn't it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a breakout candle. But let me ask you a question. If you see a breakout candle, oh, I didn't continue my question. If this is a breakout candle, shouldn't that mean that the market will be going down at this point? Why would you place call here? Why would you place buy option here? Very good question. Let me tell you, when you see this one here, so you know that there is a bearish breakout candle, meaning the market should be going down. When should you enter? You will enter at the resistance, right? Where is the resistance in this chart here in front of you? Only here. This is the resistance, meaning if the market will go down, it will go down indeed. I agree with you. This is a breakout candle. The market should be going down, but from where? It will start going down from where? From the resistance level, exactly where I set my take profit. Meaning, guys, I will be in profit. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Even though, if the market should reverse here, okay, and go down, it will start going at the resistance level. And where is the resistance level? It is where I have set my take profit. Alright? So meaning it will go up anyway. So we can see this one already in profit, and it's very near to the take profit level. I think I will close it anyway because this pair seems incredibly unstable. So I decided I will close it now. This one, NZD Canadian. Oh, by the way, NZD is the weakest. NZD is so weak. I should not have bought the NZD. You see, even me, sometimes I'm falling to my own mistakes. So anyway, let me see how this trade will go. Let's see how this will go. That's the reason, guys. You have to pay attention when you place a trade. Do not ignore to see the currency strength. Even myself, while I'm recording the video, I might make these mistakes. It's okay. We're all falling for it, but still, I'm having a hope. It should be going up at this point. Now the new candle have opened, as you can see. So until then, let me find another trade to scalp. Okay, now we see now I am on a breakout candle here. We have the breakout candle. I am on a resistance level. Let me see here. The resistance level is here. So this level was a support and a resistance. So here it was a support, a resistance. Here it was a support, and here it was ranging. Let me take a quick look, guys, just to confirm. It was a support. It was a resistance also. Look at that. Here. It was a resistance, meaning it should be fine to place my sell order here. GBP, JPY. JPP, JPY, guys. JPY is the strongest, meaning the GBP should be falling for the GBP, for the JPY, sorry. So I placed my sell order here exactly at this point. Now, where is my take profit? Will be at the next nearest resistance, which is here. Here, we see the small resistance. I select my take profit to be at this point here, and we can see the candle already reversing. Check this out, guys. It's already reversing. It cannot exceed this level. Hold on. Okay, so this trade already have $25 profit from 7 pips. 7 pips. I think I will close it already. That is fine for me. 7 pips is very good number for me for scalping. This one, however, USD JPY also, I will close it after 4 pips of profit. And it's the same also. Okay, good. This one, NZD Canadian, still having some issues. So let me try to find another pair to scalp it. Let me see. I'm looking for breakout candles to rely on them. Now, for example, this one here is good. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, as I have said before, NZD is not recommended to be bought at all. And actually, I'm very glad to fall to my own mistake, so you can avoid it in the future. You should know that we are not playing games here when we are saying pay attention to the currency strength. So what I'm going to do now is I will wait for this candle to close after 7 minutes. If it closes as a breakout candle, then I will accept the loss and I will close my trade in loss. So let me see now if there is any promising setups. Let me search. Oh, USD JPY has already hit this level. I think I have entered this one, right? And I have took money out of it. Yeah, I think so, yes. GBP USD, however, still struggling. I don't see any promising setups so far here or there. Just making around. Okay, what we are seeing here now, we are on uptrend, and I see myself on a support level. Don't look at this and tell me a breakout candle. This is not breakout candle. This is called a fake breakout, and I will explain it in another video. So let me now just move on, zoom in more and see this level. What was it in the past? And indeed we have here a breakout from the resistance, and we see here the first attempt of this support. But however, I don't see honestly a strong breakout candle. So I'm not going to enter this trade here, even though it might actually reverse. It might reverse and go up, but I'm not going to risk. I'm not going to risk it. I want to follow my strategy rules. So yes, now here we can see a promising setup. Let me mark my resistance level, and it is here, this one. Indeed, this is my resistance level, but let me try to find the right level. I believe it will be here, yes. It already touched it. I'm going to place sell immediately. Good. It will reverse until hitting the next nearest support, about 6 pips. Okay, good. So let me tell you what just happened. What just happened here is I see this level acting as a support and a resistance. Support as well, resistance here, and here it was a support. Then we see this breakout candle, and now it's going to reverse here and hitting the next nearest support. Yeah, as I told you, this one is breaking out, and actually I'm not upset because of the loss. I will close it now, accepting my loss, and it is my own mistake, guys. NZD is very weak. You should never buy it. There is a reason I posted the video yesterday. We should never buy the NZD at all when it is so weak like this, and there is nothing wrong with doing my own mistake like this. So I think I have done the same mistake again, because AUD is stronger than the NZD, but I think it's not that stronger. You see the AUD also going down, NZD going down. I believe there should be here a small reversal. I don't expect it to go up. Let's wait and see. AUD Canadian, nothing good here. Nothing good here. Still here, nothing good. Here, however, I think I will enter with the sell order at this point here. Now again, why this point? Because here it was a resistance, here, and it was a support as well, and we can see the breakout candle from the level. So I'm assuming the pair is falling more down, and we are following the trend, and therefore I'm going to place sell option here. I just have to wait for the candle to reach up this level here. So I believe we don't have time. I need to finish this video fast. This is the one I told you we are struggling for it, and you can see how it's like a zigzag moves. It's not good to trade here at all. This one, however, immediately I placed the buy option. Let me explain the reason. I just saw this happening very quickly, and there was no time to explain it. Look at the left, guys. We see here there is a support level, and we see the breakout candle. This one here, we see this bullish breakout candle. Then now we can see that there is here a support, a resistance, and we can see another breakout candle. So we can see that this candle now, the red one, is reaching the same level of this support line here, the same level of this previous support. So meaning there is a high chance that this candle now is going to reverse, going all the way up, create the third attempt of the resistance, and then it will start falling back again. So I'm assuming this will be a winning trade. I will pause the video until it finish. Yeah, guys, that is funny. I fall again to the same mistake. While I'm recording, I think I'm not paying attention enough. AUD and ZD, um, actually, they are both weak. They are both weak. So I should avoid them. I should avoid them totally, especially the NZD. We can see that our trade for the Euro AUD, however, is going deep, or not going deep, but it's going deep in the money. We are winning the trade so far. It's going up. However, this one, AUD NZD, I will keep it running until I see a breakout candle. So far, there is no breakout candle, so I will keep it running. Let me look for another trade to scalp, and this will be the last one. Avoid NZD. This one usually is good, but I don't see any breakout candle indicating a bearish movement, so I will avoid it. This as well, or the GBP seems to be like it's going more and more up. This is the one I have marked earlier, so I think here, this level here, we can expect a reversal. Yes, yes, very confident. This will be a winning trade, and I will set my take profit to be here. Okay, good. Yes, correct, because JPY is much stronger than the GBP, meaning the GBP should be what, guys? Should be falling for the JPY. The pound, let me make it more clear. The pound, JBP, JPY, GBP is weaker, GPY or the yen is stronger. So the British pound is going down against the Japanese yen. Therefore, we can see that on this resistance level here, the pair or the candles should be falling more and more down. Don't be tricked or fooled by this strong bullish movement. It is only the investors or the bears trying to push the market a little bit more up, but they cannot break the rules or the reality that the JPY or the Japanese yen is much stronger than the British pound. Therefore, this one is falling down definitely, and I'm 100% sure about it. Let's see how things will go here. Euro AUD is going good in profit. Our trade AUD NZD still, however, struggling, but I will keep it running. I'm sure actually all of the trades will be winning in the end. So I will keep them running, and I will pause the video until we see what happened. Okay, guys, so actually I need to close the video as soon as possible because I have to go. But anyway, we can see that our AUD NZD in profit, as I told you, is getting near to the hit to hit the take profit. So I'm going to close this trade, and I'm going to close Euro AUD. It's also flying and going in profit as we said. However, the JPP GPY, I opened another trade here because obviously the candle has reversed at this level here, not here. So of course, guys, we know we are not controlling the market. So anyway, I will close it in profit. So I'm ending it in profit. This one I will keep it running because I'm sure it will go a little bit more down. But the thing is, I have to close the video now. So guys, I'm sorry for the long video, but I hope it was informative to you to know how to trade with the scalping. Tomorrow, the weekend, I believe we will make a video talking about support and resistance more in brief, and how to draw them properly, and how we can pick our trades based on them. So guys, until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.